Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a Pepsi bottle. So let us get straight into it. So first, let's add the basic shape for this, which is a circle. Now let's add a bevel to this. So now let's add some loop cuts to this. So now we're done with this part right here. This one. Now it's time to add this the cap. Now let's add the cap for it. So let's do that. Now you can see we're done with the bottle. Now it's time for us to add the texturing. So let's add it. So now you can see we are done with the bottle right here, the Pepsi bottle. Now it's time to create the wrapper. So let's create it. Now you can see we are done with this Pepsi one. Now it's time to create the Fanta and the... So now you can see we are done with 7-Up right here. Now it's time for us to create the Mountain Dew. So let's create it. So here, right, I'm just going to change the wrapper and the Mountain Dew color a bit from like dark green to maybe light green. So let's change the color of that. So now you can see we are done with all of the bottles right here. This one is the Pepsi one, this one is the 7-Up, this one is the Mountain Dew. So now it's time to create the animation. So let us create it. So now we're done with the animation. Now let's play it. And boom! So you can see the animation is like that. Now let me replay it. So you can see the animation first. If I play it right, it rotates these two thingies you can see right here, and then it also moves at the same time to come to the center. So it's the Mountain Dew, the 7-Up and the Pepsi. So that's it for this lesson of how to create this the making of this 7-Up, Mountain Dew and Pepsi. And if you want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes. Thank you and bye bye.